bringing you guys this look that I created using the Riviera palette by Anastasia. So you're gonna get a look at how I use this to create this look. So I just had some fun with this makeup tutorial. It's not even really a tutorial, you know, I just filmed because I felt like filming. Hopefully you guys like it. If you're not part of the royal gang, subscribe below, hit the bell. You already know, be part of that notification gang. And of course, without further ado,
let's get down to business.
nothing wants me to be great today. Nothing. I'm going to be using something kind of new for primer. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer Base. I've used this before, but I never used it with you guys. This kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal. L'Oreal has a primer just like this. It's in like a small little bottle with a small little thing like this with like a black top. I feel like that's a dupe basically for this, but this thing is about to make my feet gah, real gah. This primer ain't too bad. Like, I used it before and it wasn't like crazy. I kind of high-key still like my Smashbox. Alright, so for foundation, I'm actually going to be going into the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. All hail Mother Jackie. All hail the mother of all mothers. She's like the GOAT. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the concealer that I use for my brows, the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in Butterscotch. I must say, like, this is the most product you do get with a concealer. It's not too much. Like, it still gives me the natural look that, I don't know, kind of lately I've just been more on the natural side with makeup. It's been kind of weird, but hence as to why I haven't really gone out or anything like that. So I haven't had the reason to do like a full face. But of course, you know, when that time comes, honey, full face galore. What? My sponge isn't even wet. This yet? I don't know what's going on today. Filming is just not working out for me today. It's just not. So I just added some lashes that I had already worn. Can't remember the number. I don't know. So I'm thinking about adding purple to the bottom lash line. I want to add this purple right here, the purple called Canes. Yeah, I want to add that to the bottom lash line, and I'm thinking about adding glitter as well. Let's see how it looks.